Hey guys, so today we're going to drive my
wait a minute, time out because of all the cords. Come on. Stay on this path.
We are going to go in the street, and here's our decorations. That's a giant air balloon, or a hot air balloon. And then Santa Claus fell over, and there's a giant snowman. And there's these lights, and I'll show you what our house looks like. Green and red. I'll back up more so you guys can see fully.
Oh, I do.
This is what it looks like. So yeah, that is pretty big, 6 foot. That's same size at 6 foot, and I think that's 12 feet tall.
Oh, did you see it, Kason? It wrecked and
Okay, so
jumped
now
out.
onto the car.
I'm gonna try.
Watch. Watch.
Oh my god, it is so cold out here. You guys can't see that good.
Oh, it just dripped on me.
We have like this little lamp light. I really like that. That's creepy.
Bring it back out here, Bella, because
This is cold out here.
stuff.
I got it.
It's hard to steer.